You have probably never heard of me. That's good. It means I'm doing my job. Carrying everything from the luxury of the jardin to the everyday essentials along wide and empty boulevards. At the break of dawn, I make my deliveries, accompanied by the endless beat characterizing our city, and I welcome it as my route continues. Surrounded by buildings aiming for the sky, I leave the neon signs to you, with one exception. I will not compete with the howling salesmen at their street stalls, only provide them with their goods. As I provide you with your caillois, your coffee, your croissant. Bonjour, ça va? As your day now begins, mine is coming to an end. Yet, my presence will linger. In the clothes you wear, in the ones you've grown tired of, in the air you breathe, pure as the biogas fueling me. In the silence, keeping a low profile, enabling you to sleep with an open window. In East and in West, in Hackney and Camden, wherever I go, I keep an eye out for you. Several, to be honest. Yet, you have probably never heard of me, and hopefully, it will stay that way.